Okay, so today we have a Honda proximity key. It's a 2016 model key and it's from a Type R GT, and we're going to show you how to change the key battery. Okay, so the first thing, this is the emergency blade and that needs to come out, and you do it by moving this switch across. So move the little switch and that pulls out nice and easy. And then the key battery splits in two halves down here, okay, and the way to open it is inside here there's a gap, and the gap is just about the right size for the end of this key. So pop it in, it fits nice and snug, and give it a twist, and you can see the key opens up that side, and then give it a bit more of a twist, and then it's open. Okay, so take it apart and you will see here the key battery is a 2032, and the other thing is that the writing, you can read it so you know which way the battery needs to go back up. Okay, so the battery comes up this end first. You can just pop your finger under there and pull that out, nice and easy. And when you're placing your key battery, just slide it back in first, then push it down. Nice and easy this. And then line the key up together, both sides, and give it a squeeze and it clicks. Okay, and then you want to put the key back together. Just line it all up first. Make sure the buttons are all in line properly. Sometimes they move to the side when you're doing this. So just then give it a squeeze and give it a squeeze. And the last thing is to put your key blade back in. And so with a 3-button proximity key for a Honda, you are good to go.